Welcome to Reality of Things. Are you looking for a peaceful and magical retreat to refresh your mind and soul? Enjoy the sound of natural ambience while strolling into the jungle? Or perhaps seeking an escape into nature where it's less crowded, so secluded at times you'll feel like you're in your own private waterfall retreat, where natural beauty and tranquil atmosphere will allow you to truly disconnect and immerse yourself in nature. Well, I got the perfect place for you. High up in northern Bali, in a village of Wanagiri, lies a hidden gem not yet discovered by many. Home to 4 waterfalls of different characteristics in one location. Banyu Wana Amertha Waterfall is often overshadowed by its neighboring waterfalls of Banyu Wana and Sekampo Twin Falls. For now, it is one of lesser-known travel waterfall destinations. Banyu Wana Amertha Waterfall is an enchanting adventure. The journey to the falls itself was a beautiful, lush, greenery forest with tropical colored plants and flowers lining the way. Birds and insects singing all around you. Who would not want to take a day off the busy streets and crowds of Bali to indulge themselves in this peaceful natural beauty? We are here at the parking area of Banyu Wana Amertha Waterfall. Looks like parking is limited, maybe around 10 cars or so. This is the ticket booth. How much per person?
40,000.
40?
Yeah, it looks like peaceful, huh?
Hi. After the parking, a short walk from the entrance, you'll be welcomed with the sound of nature. A garden-like jungle with exotic plants, flowers, and trees. So far, it is easy going. This pathway is well maintained, clean, and kind of slippery due to the moss. You can tell maintenance is priority here. As visitors, let's try to keep it the way we walked into. The path is paved concrete, making the walk easy and enjoyable. Although it may seem like you're walking on a flat surface, well, actually you are, but the path is slowly descending, which means coming back up might be hard for people with bad knees. Good news, there are motorbikes we saw earlier that can take you for a price. I think it was 30,000 for one way and 50,000 round trip. No major trekking here. Soon you'll come to this fork with a sign showing some pictures of the falls and arrows pointing opposite direction. Not long before you know, you are welcomed with rushing sounds of water and the serene ambience of the surrounding forest. After going down some stairs, here we are. To the left is Single Fall. This waterfall is not the biggest or tallest, but features a cave that allows you to walk behind the falls. To the right is BWA, also known as Wanagiri Falls. This is known for the most popular waterfalls at Banyu Wana series and where you find the most people if there are any. Though this may not be the biggest waterfall in Bali, it is considered to be the most beautiful. Its dozens of tiny waterfalls cascading down the rocks almost look artificial, making it a truly unique sight to see. A wow photo spot. The pool here is too shallow to go for a swim, but definitely a good place to dip your feet and walk on its clear water. Depending on the season that you visit, single fall might be dried out. In other words, you might not see water flowing down from top. The waterfall just disappears. After you are done with all your photos in this picturesque place, head back up to the fork. Go to the right side to enjoy two other waterfalls that are just as stunning and awe-inspiring. Hello. I'm curious. Ask about this one. This one right here is avocado?
Avocado,
Yeah.
yeah.
Avocado? Oh, I've never seen avocado like this before. This one,
Very
avocado.
nice. Yummy.
Asian avocado. These are small local stalls. They sell coffee, beers, soft drinks, snacks, cup of noodles, and assorted fresh fruit. So pretty right now, guys. Another fall coming in. Wow, this pathway is slightly different from the other side. I think because the fog rolled in too, gives this strolling a more mysterious vibe. A lot more natural ambience going on here. I love it though. It's super peaceful. Seems we are the only one walking on this path. We started with clear skies and now this. About 5 minutes into the main path, there is a stairway down on the right side which leads to waterfall number 3, Twin Fall. This one is less popular compared to the other 3. Therefore, the path is less traversed. But to have this beautiful waterfall all to myself was amazing. Last but not least, another short distance from here, and moving on to waterfall number 4, the grand finale. Banyu Wana, also known as Spray Fall. This is the biggest of the 4 waterfalls and the longer to get to. Also the more steeper stairs and more difficult. Once arrived, it is the most secluded, most breathtaking, with a huge cascading leafy background and a wide, shallow pool at the bottom that is perfect for swimming on a hot, humid day. Definitely no swimming for me today. Looks like it's starting sprinkling and it's happening so fast. Soon we will drench in the rain. Here are the reality of things. Even though the main pathways is well-maintained, paved concrete steps, they get mossy and slippery. Take extra caution when going downhill. The path to the waterfalls can be steep, slippery, and uneven as well. Weather and temperature can vary and change rapidly depending on the time of the year. The waterfalls are in a tropical climate with hot and humid, so there's going to be flying insects, creeping crawlers, lizards, etc. Be aware of your surroundings. The waterfalls are located in a natural setting, and there may be potential hazards such as slippery rocks, uneven grounds, falling things. Keep in mind that easy going down, but mostly uphill plus stairs coming back up, and could be a bit exhausting. Not much physical is needed, although going down can be hard on the knees. In conclusion, the walk down to the falls itself is special. Lushy greenery with exotic flowers, tropical plants, bamboo forests, jackfruit trees, banana plantation, and birds singing all along. All 4 waterfalls are worth visiting. Once arrived to the falls, each with its own characteristic, offering different beauties themselves. My personal favorite is the waterfall number 4, where I spent the most time. Being surrounded by lush green foliage, the sound of rushing water provided a soothing soundtrack to this picturesque scenery. It was a place where time seemed to stand still, allowing my inner self to reconnect with the beauty of nature. Whether you're a nature lover or just looking for a peaceful escape, you must have Banyu Wana Amertha Waterfall on your Bali itinerary. The best part about it, in most cases, you can enjoy the beauty of the falls in peace and solitude. Okay, first time riding motorcycle. Okay? Okay, riding motorcycle, first time. Very easy for you, huh?
No.
Very easy.
Yeah, take it easy.
We are too lazy. Going hiking, but then riding motorcycle. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find something in this video that will help you plan your next waterfall chase. If you like this video, please subscribe. Gary and I are too lazy. Going hiking and then riding motorcycle, horses.